Ate Alili, andyan na ba mayang people? Ha? Sila Kuya Mark andyan?
Uy!
Si Chris andyan din. Chris Anglo? Ang ingay nila dito, hallelujah. Kasi kami, kasama na mga people ng Vancouver at Toronto company. 2 groups kami. Oh, kaya pala bibong-bibong. Kasi plano ko sana ito. Ha? Punta na kami dyan. Ingay nila, sige te. Talk to you later. Ha? Wala. Ang kasama ko si Beric, si Allison, tsaka si Oliver. Si Sarah, tsaka si Vicky. Si Juliet. Ingay. Mga some kind of a freak show. Anong pinagtatawanan niyo?
Epekto to ng puti mo.
Si Beric. Si Allison Hey!
Bawal yan dito. Wait lang, pahinga mo na. Pahinga mo na. Pahinga daw.
Oh my God.
This call sounds like a grandpa.
Maalis yung baga. Pulutin mo. Yung kinain ko mo. Tumaas. Hindi ba mababa?
Oliver didn't have any pussy.
Yeah. That's the side effect of eating chicken
Chicken was
wings.
sort of hot.
They're like
Tama na rin.
monsters. Oh my God.
Oh.
How many minutes did you spend in that medical marijuana shop already?
Alam mo, nagbigay na 10 yun ba? They gave us $10 with a free marijuana.
Really?
No.
They give us free marijuana? He's crying. Oliver.
Grabe ah.
Grandpa style.
Oh, did you watch the review?